So I'm going to show you few different ways of converting your Excel document to a PDF file. So let's see them one by one. So for that, I'm going to open my Excel app and I'm going to open one of the worksheet here, and it looks like this. And this worksheet, I want to convert it to a PDF file. So in the Excel app, I have a few options. So let's see the first option. So just select on the file option, and then you can click on the print option, and by default you can see Microsoft is going to save your file into the PDF format if you are not connected to a actual printer. If you see something else here, just click on this drop down menu and you will find this option which says Microsoft Print to PDF. Just select that option, and then you have these settings here. So you can select which sheets you want to print. Right now print active sheet is selected. I can also select print entire workbook. That means all the sheets inside my workbook will be printed, right? So when I click on this option, then all the worksheet in my workbook will be printed. If I only select the active sheet, then only the active sheet will be printed, right? Now I have the option to choose landscape or the portrait orientation and all the other settings I have. So once you have done all the settings, you can just click on print and then choose your location and give the name to your documents. You can see save as type is .pdf. So I'm going to just click on save, and once it's done, I can go to the folder where I have saved this file, and you can see sample1.pdf, and it's going to look like this. So that's the first way of converting your PDF file. Let's see the second way. So for that also, you just need to click on the file option, and this time you need to click on save as and then click on browse option. So just click on browse and then choose the location where you want to save your PDF file, and then you will be able to see this option which says save as type. So by default it's Excel workbook, but from here you can choose the PDF format also, right? So now when you choose the PDF format, your file will be saved as PDF. Also you have here this option button. When you click on this option button, you have the possibility of just converting your active sheets, or you can convert all the sheets. So for example, if you have multiple sheets in your workbook, you can check this checkbox, and then all the sheets inside your workbook will be converted to the PDF file. So I'm going to select this option and then click on OK, and then click on save. And once I do that, it's going to just convert my Excel file into the PDF. And now you can see I have converted all the sheets in my Excel file into the PDF file. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets in my workbook, and in my PDF file also all the worksheet will be added to the PDF file. Now let's see the third way. So I'm going to just click on file option once again, and then I'm going to click on the export option this time. So just click on export, and you have this option here which says create PDF / XPS document. So you can choose this option and then click on create PDF / XPS, and your file will be saved in the PDF format. Also once again, here you have the possibility of selecting the entire workbook or the active sheet. Also you have the possibility to choose which pages you want to convert into the PDF file. So I will select all the pages and then click on OK, and you can also change the name here because this document once already exists, and then I'm going to click on publish, which is going to convert this file into the PDF file. So now we have seen 3 ways of converting Excel file into the PDF document using this Microsoft Office Excel app. Now for some reason, let's say you don't have the Excel app, or you don't have the valid license for your Excel app, then in that case what you can do. So if you don't have the official Excel app on your operating system, then just open your favorite browser and search for Excel to PDF. And the first option here is smallpdf.com/Excel to PDF. So I'm going to click on this option, and once this website opens, you can choose the file. So I will put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly just click on that link. So let's choose our file, and I'm going to just select my Excel file and then click on open, and it's going to convert this Excel file into the PDF file. And now I can see that my Excel file has been converted to the PDF file. So I can simply download it, and once this PDF file is downloaded, I can open it, and you can see this file is converted to the PDF file. So these are the few different ways in which you can convert your Excel file into a PDF file. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.